Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will walk through how to add stickers to WhatsApp. So let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Then, open any WhatsApp chat. Next, tap on the camera icon in the chat bar. Now choose the desired image you want to create sticker. Then tap on the Send button. Now once the image is sent, tap it to open. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner. From the list, choose the Create Sticker button. Now this will show you two previews of the image, with background and without background. So choose the desired type. Then tap on the Send button in the bottom right corner. And that's it. Your sticker has been created. Now for easy access, tap and hold on any sticker in your chat. A menu will pop up. Select Add to Favorites. Now you'll find a star icon in your sticker section. This is where all your favorite stickers live, ready for quick use. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to sticker to WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.